how to transfer files from Android to PC wirelessly. So if you want to transfer files from Android to PC wirelessly, then what you need to do is first, you just need to go to your Play Store. On your Play Store, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for Wi-Fi FTP Server. Make sure that this application is installed on your device from the Google Play Store. Once it's downloaded, you need to go with allow the permissions that are required, allow all the file access. After that, go and here you will see the user ID and path. These are the details that will use to connect your phone to the computer. Now keep your phone aside and go to the PC. Once you're on your computer, now go with this PC, and now right click on the space and then go with add a network location. Now go with next, and again go with choose a custom network location and go with next. And here you need to enter the server URL that you have on your phone. After that, click on next. You need to uncheck the box which says log on anonymously and then enter your username and then go with next. Give any name for the network and then again click on next and then finish. Now you need to enter the password which is also specified in the app and you're all set. Now your phone is connected to the computer. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.